Hi guys, kain tayo. Kain tayo. Meron kaming pagkain doon. Siyempre may pizza. Ayun, hindi na magpakuha ng picture. Ito po ang pizza masarap. Hmm? Mahirap yung mozzarella nyo. Ito yung chips potato masarap. Ito ang gusto ko sa kanila. Mas masarap pa doon sa french fries. Hmm? Hmm? Natatawa sa akin si Dana. Ayun na kasi magpakuha ng picture. Ako lang.
Marpi black ketchup, black sauce, mango. Wala, marpi.
You want black ketchup? How you see this one have black ketchup? Why, Dana, in your country have black ketchup?
Black ketchup. Sure. You put this one, no?
Sarap ah. Kain tayo, kain tayo.
Hi guys, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Nandito naman kami ni Dana. Ngayon po ay magbubukbang kami ng chocolate mousse cake. Ayan po. Ayan. Ewan ko lang kung sino sa amin tatagal sa dalawa sa chocolate. Pero nakaka-diabetes na tayo. Ito po ang chocolate mousse cake na aming paninda. Ayan. Ayan. Nagdalawa po kami ni Dana. Okay. Ayan. You can talk first before you eating.
Bakit ito?
I don't know what you're talking.
No. I want.
Okay guys, I tried this one first. Dana, I don't know what happened this one. Always sleeping. Okay, let's eat. Then you eat this one for you, Dana. Next time, I will check what the you want to eat the mukbang. I try this one. If good or no. Nakakaumay na guys ang aming cake.
This has some ice cream, no?
Sarap siya guys.
At vanilla. Hot chocolate.
Oh, you know this one vanilla, this one all chocolate, Dana. Guys, ang sarap siya guys. That's it. Bye. Thank you for watching.